To start tilling another section back here to put my viney stuff that runs on the ground, like butternut squash and calabasa and stuff like that, so I can just let it run. I don't have enough room over at the other side over there, so got plenty of room over here, so we're going to till this up. Unmowed it down as far as I can get it, as low as I can get it. And there's been vehicles parked there since last summer. So most of the grass is dead over there anyway. So let's go grab the tiller and till this up. I got my preliminary shape here. A little bit bigger than I thought, but it's better than too small. Soil's pretty good here. I haven't tested it, but if it's like all the rest of it, it's coming up pretty nice. It smells good. Got the shape down. I have to go over the center here and go back, make a few more passes over it, and we should be good. And break through it to get the weeds out and grass. Don't need that in there. So let's make a few more passes here. If you have any high spots you want to go back over, like lumps, because this thing, you see the way it hops. So when it hops, you can tilt it forward and dig in a little bit. Then it'll still leave these little ridges. So you might need to go back over the other direction. So you see I'm going left to right here. And then every once in a while I come back and forth towards the camera. See, there's a little lump right there. I'll have to go back out here and redo this after I pick through the weeds on it or rake it. But that's pretty much it. The little tiller's doing good. That ought to be big enough spot for our vine and stuff, and probably a little bit more. Soil appears to be pretty decent. Let that die for a couple of days and come back out here and rake it and tilt through it again before we plant anything out here. So sometime this week I'll be putting squash and probably some watermelons and cantaloupes I think I got over here. And might actually extend it out slightly. This way I got plenty of room over this way. I can go probably, well, I can go all the way out here really. So it'd be from the end of the shed over to here. And really I can go out this way too. But I'm not doing that. This is plenty big enough for right now. Oh, that's almost half the size of the other garden. So that should be good enough.